So thank you for being with us today again. And first of all, what did you like the most about yesterday?
Yeah, so I really liked meeting new people. Yeah, so networking is for me always the most important piece of such events. But what I really like about the format is that it is intimate and you really meet peers. Yeah, so having the same problems, same issues, same challenges. So the discussions really are relevant for me personally. Yeah, and that was one of the biggest impacts I had yesterday, getting new ideas, fresh topics that I could learn of personally.
That's very good to hear. And you mentioned indeed these kind of events are more intimate than the other ones that you can find out there and that you probably attended in the past. So what are the main differences also regarding maybe the workshops and main differences that can inspire the participants?
I think the hands-on discussions. Yeah, it's bigger events are often more, let's say, superficial, a bit more on, too high level. And here it really goes down to a detailed level that you can use. You can really talk about your experience and others share their experiences and you know what they're talking about. Yeah, it's more authentic, probably.
Awesome. Thank you. So hopefully see you at the next ones.
Looking forward to it.